You don't need 100,000 subscribers to make money on YouTube. You don't even need to be a big creator. What you really need is the right strategy. And if you are someone over 40 juggling life, family, work, responsibilities, this message is even more important. You can make money on YouTube at any stage and at any age. Today, I am going to show you 5 proven ways to earn income. And a bonus tip, even if your channel is small and you are just getting started. I'm Asif Akash, and this is Travel Vista, where I help creators 40 and beyond build channels, grow their personal brand, and create new income stream using their real life experiences. If you are a mature creator who want to build influence and income, you are in the right place. The truth about monetization. Let me tell you something most new creators misunderstand. YouTube money is not just AdSense. Ads are just one piece of the puzzle. And honestly, it's not even the biggest piece. The real income for a small creator comes from affiliate marketing, sponsorship, digital product, coaching or consulting, and yes, ads eventually. Here's the truth I learned. Your influence matter more than your subscribers count. Even with a small channel, you can earn. Let me break each income stream down with simple examples. Income stream number one, AdSense, the basic. Yes, AdSense is the classic one. You need 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short view. But here's the part nobody talks about. Even with a small channel specific niche, earn more from ads, travel, tech, finance, motivation, education. These topics have high RPM. When I first started earning, the income wasn't huge, but the psychological boost was priceless. It made me feel like, okay, this is real. And that alone keeps you motivated. Income stream number two, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the easiest and fastest way to earn. You simply recommend tools or products you actually use. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Here's a personal example. My first ever online income wasn't from AdSense. It was an $8 commission from someone buying the same tripod I use. That's one small moment changed everything. It showed me that people trust my recommendations. You can start with Amazon Associates, Canva Pro, TubeBuddy, your microphone, vidIQ, your lighting setups, and CapCut. Pick one thing you love, share it. That's enough to begin. Income stream number three, sponsorship and brand deals. A lot of creators think they need 50,000 subscribers to get brand deals, which is not true. Brands care about your niche, your audience, your clarity, your professionalism, not your subscriber count. If you are a creator over 40, you already have something younger creators don't have, and that is credibility. You can reach out and say, I create content for creators over 40. I would love to explore a collaboration. Most brands don't know how to reach mature audience, so you became valuable. One email can lead to your first paid collaboration. Income stream number four, digital product. This is where your experience become your income. Create something simple, a YouTube planner, a 10-page ebook, a YouTube after 40 mini course, a travel or hospitality guide, templates, checklist. When I launched my first digital product, it was simple, no fancy design, but people downloaded it because it solved a real problem. Digital products are powerful because you create it once, it sells again and again. It builds your authority. It gives you passive income. Your knowledge becomes your product. Income stream number five, coaching or consulting. If you have worked 10, 20, or 25 years in hospitality, travel, business, or any skill, people will pay for your guidance. You don't need to be a guru. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you are helping. Creators over 40 have an advantage. We have experience, we have leadership, we have real life stories. Offer one on one calls, offer clarity sessions, offer mentorship. Even time I have done consulting, people said, Asif, I wish I found you earlier. And that feeling is incredible. Now we move to bonus tip: diversify early. Don't wait until you hit 10,000 subscribers. Don't wait for one day. Your channel is a business. Start building your income ecosystem now. Even earning 50 or $100 a month means your channel is working for you, not the other way around. Multiple small streams grow into a big business streams over the time. Personal reflection. When I started, I used to think I need a big channel before I can make money. But every time someone bought through my affiliate link, every time a viewer booked a consulting call, every time a stranger thanked me for helping them, I realized something important. People don't follow channels, they follow people. Your story matters. Your experience matters. Your voice matters. And after 40, your value actually increases because your life experience is something younger creator cannot fake. You don't need to compete with them. You just need to serve your people. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a doorway to new income, new opportunities, new confidence, and new identity. Whether you make $100 or $10,000, your voice becomes your asset. Your experience become your advantage and your channel become your business. If you are ready to start earning even with a small channel, comment hashtag small channel big income below. Tell me where you want to begin. Affiliate marketing, digital products, consulting, brand deals. I read every single comment and I will help you personally in the replies. And next week, I will show you how to design your first digital product step by step. No design skills or tech knowledge required. Hit subscribe. We are building your creator income together. This is Asif Akash, and you are watching Travel Vista, YouTube growth and life success after 40. Stay focused, stay consistent, stay confident. You are just getting started. See you in the next video.